Tired of waking up with back pain and restless nights? Well, your mattress might not be the issue. It could be your mattress pad. In this video, I'm ranking the top 5 latex mattress pads from good to absolute game changers. And trust me, I've tried these out, so I'm going to break them down. The good, the not so great, and the ones that just wowed me. Stick around until the end, because my number 1 pick literally made me feel like I was floating every night. Let's get into it. 5 Sleep on Latex Pure Green Natural Latex Mattress Topper. Now, to be fair, this one has a lot going for it. It's made from 100% natural latex, which right away makes it breathable, supportive, and much more eco-friendly than a lot of the synthetic stuff out there. When I first put it on my mattress, I noticed that it was instantly bouncier, a little firmer, and honestly good for back support. But here's the thing. While it is supportive, I felt like it didn't quite hit that sweet spot of comfort I was looking for. You know when you expect that cloud-like relief from a topper? Yeah, this wasn't exactly that. Instead, I found it kind of firm, maybe too firm if you're someone who likes a plush feel. Especially for side sleepers like me, after a few nights, I felt some pressure build up on my shoulders. Another thing, the edges didn't really grip my mattress as well as I hoped. It kind of shifted a little when I moved around, especially the thinner 2-inch version. I imagine if you go with the thicker 3-inch option, that would probably help, but still, it wasn't perfect. Now on the plus side, I really loved how cool it slept. Like, this topper doesn't trap heat at all, which is a huge win if you tend to run hot at night. The airflow through the latex is way better than memory foam. But comfort is so personal, and for me, this came across more as firm, supportive slab rather than a balance of comfort and support. 4. Avocado Eco Organic Latex Mattress Topper. Now, if you're into sustainability, and I mean, who isn't these days, this one is a really attractive option. It's certified organic, made with natural latex, cotton, and wool, so it's not just about comfort, it's also about peace of mind, knowing you're sleeping on something super eco-friendly. When I first tried this one out, I was impressed. It has that soft, cushioned feel that the sleep-on latex topper kind of missed. It's comfortable without being overly squishy, and the wool layer on top gives it a more luxurious, pillow-like feel. It also regulates temperature brilliantly, much better than any polyester topper I've ever tried. But here's where I personally felt a bit let down. While the comfort was nice, it didn't feel as durable as I wanted for the price point. After a few weeks, I noticed the topper started to compress a little more than I liked, especially in the body impression areas. Don't get me wrong, it still felt good, but after experiencing the resilience of other toppers, this one didn't bounce back quite as strongly. Also, the wool layer, while cozy, means it's not vegan-friendly. And for hot sleepers like me, sometimes wool can feel slightly too warm, especially in humid weather. I didn't wake up sweaty, but I also didn't feel as cool as some of the pure latex options. Still, Avocado really nails the eco-conscious design, and if you're someone who values organic materials first, this is a fantastic choice. Saatva Natural Latex Mattress Topper. Honestly, the moment I laid this on my bed, my first reaction was, oh wow, this feels different. Saatva really brought that luxury hotel vibe into a topper. What stood out immediately was how supportive yet cushioned it felt. The latex core is thick and sturdy, so you don't sink too deep, but the organic cotton cover around it softens the overall feel just enough. It's a really balanced experience. I noticed that whether I was on my back, side, or stomach, I got consistent comfort. Another big plus is how sturdy it feels. A lot of toppers shift around at night, but this one stays put. It has straps at the corners that actually secure it to your mattress, and I loved that. It just made everything feel more put together. Now, it's not the cheapest topper out there. Saatva is known for their luxury pricing, but honestly, it does feel premium. The materials are certified organic, it's super breathable, and there's this springy resilience every time you move that just reminds you, yeah, this is high-quality latex. If I had to nitpick, it's probably that the initial setup was a little heavier than expected. Latex is dense, so wrestling it out of the package and placing it on the bed might take 2 people. But once it's on, you can immediately tell this topper is built to last. Out of all of them, it had that luxury hotel bed upgrade effect the most, definitely deserving of a top 3 spot. 2. PlushBeds Latex Mattress Topper. Now, PlushBeds is one of those brands that has been around for a while, and they've really nailed down customization. What blew me away here is that you can actually choose your firmness level: soft, medium, medium firm, or even extra firm. That means you can actually tailor it to your exact comfort needs, which is something you don't always get with toppers. When I tested the medium firm option, I noticed right away that it gave me the kind of balance I'd been searching for: support for my back, but also just enough cushion for my shoulders and hips. The Talalay latex they use is incredibly responsive. When you move around, it bounces right back instead of leaving dents. That's one of the perks of Talalay. It's softer and airier than Dunlop latex, so you get that buoyant, weightless feel. Temperature control? Spot on. I didn't overheat once, even during a couple of warm nights, and the airflow just feels natural. You know how some foams kind of trap you in? This topper doesn't do that at all. It just hugs your body lightly and still lets you move freely. Now, I will say, PlushBeds toppers don't always come cheap, but compared to a whole new mattress, it's still such a worthwhile upgrade. And given that you can pick thickness and firmness, it's almost like having a custom-made sleep solution. For me, this was the first topper where I thought, okay, now this is what comfort is supposed to feel like. It's supportive, cool, customizable, and genuinely feels premium. And as much as I loved this one, there's one topper that managed to beat it. Number 1. PlushBeds Medium Firm Latex Topper. Finally, at number 1, my absolute favorite, the PlushBeds Medium Firm Latex Topper. I mean, if there's one topper that I would recommend without hesitation, it's this one. From the very first night, this topper felt like a game changer. That medium firm balance is just perfect. Like, I woke up the next morning, and it was the first time in ages that my back didn't feel stiff. You know that feeling when you stretch and your body just feels aligned? Yeah, that was it. What makes this topper stand out is its perfect synergy of comfort and support. It doesn't feel too soft where you sink endlessly, and it doesn't feel too rigid that it pushes back on pressure points. It just holds you in the right way, almost like it adapts to you. Latex naturally has this buoyant quality, but on this topper, it feels enhanced. It literally made my old bed feel brand new. Another huge win is durability. Even after weeks, I didn't notice any compression or body grooves. Every night it felt just as supportive as day one. And because it uses organic Talalay latex, you're getting the breathability, the eco-friendliness, and that hypoallergenic quality all in one. It's also surprisingly versatile. I tried it on a firmer mattress and it softened it up nicely. Then I threw it on a softer guest room mattress and it actually added more structure. It's one of those rare toppers that works no matter what base you put it on. Honestly, the only downside here is availability. It sometimes sells out pretty fast because it's so popular. But if you can get your hands on it, it's totally worth every penny. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys. Those are my picks for the top 5 latex mattress pads. Starting with the Sleep-On Latex Pure Green, which was a bit too firm for me, climbing up through Avocado with its eco-friendly charm, the luxury feel of Saatva, the customizable comfort of PlushBeds, and finally, the number 1 PlushBeds medium firm topper that just completely stole the show. If there's one takeaway from all this, it's that the right topper can totally change your sleep life without dropping thousands on a new mattress. So if you're tossing and turning, maybe it's not your mattress, it's your topper. All right, let me know in the comments, which one of these sounds like your sleep dream setup? And hey, if you've already tried one, I'd love to hear your experience too. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews that make your everyday comfort so much better.